Mom, Dad, I found a dog. No dogs at home. Put it back immediately. Why? There's only one way out. I hope my savings will be enough. Hi. I'm buying this pet store. That's not funny. Fine. Is this enough? The store is yours. Yay! Good luck. The store belongs to me. What is it? Let me sleep. Lucy, is that you? Don't wake me up.
Hey!
I'm done. Thanks for shopping with us. Good afternoon. Hi, I'm really sleepy. Here's coffee. It'll give you a boost. Thanks. So, the moment I fall asleep, my cat comes running to me. She hops on me and wakes me up. It's horrible. But I know how to help you. Here's a soft cushion. Place it on a table and go to sleep.
Wow!
Thank you. Bye. My pleasure. Bye. It's bedtime. The table is here. Lucy, where are you? There! You're sleeping on your pillow today. And I'm sleeping in my bed. Sweet dreams to us. I'll take this, this, and this. Whoa! He decided to get all the toys. Thanks for shopping. Come again. Thank you. You too. Hold on. You forgot the dog. How could I do that? Aw, man. I dropped all my toys. I have an idea. An organizer belt just for dog toys. Amazing. This is for you. Thanks. I'm almost at the finish line. Bored? Kitty really loves pressing keys. My cat sent a message to my girlfriend. What do I do now? I know! Cardboard scissors and glue. Cut out cardboard pieces and glue them together. Assemble the piece. Glue on a cardboard keyboard and write letters on the keys. Join all the pieces so it looks like a laptop. And a cat laptop is ready. Do you like it? It's a laptop and a claw scratcher at the same time. Hurry up! Help! My baby needs a manicure! Don't panic! I'm on it! Any beauty salon would be jealous of our treatment. Done!
Wow!
Wonderful! This is for you! Bye! Hi, I'm here with my pet. Hi, where is it? Can't see anything. He's so slow. We'll have to wait a little. He's on his way. Whatever, but my store closes at 7. He's finally here. I'll have turtle food, please. Here. Come again. Thanks. Your turtle is still here. He's always late. I can offer you a solution. A mini skateboard. Attach wheels to a plastic organizer. Put in a felt mat. Attach a leash with a lobster clasp. Whoa! You saved me! Thanks! Newton, do you like this toy? Fetch! What about this bone? It's gold! Can I help you? Maybe. Here, watch! Newton, fetch! And nothing! I thought of something! Here, try this stick! It should work! Glue a cap in a plumbing pipe. Drill holes. Fill it with dog food and close with a cap. Let's try it out. Wow, it worked! Thanks! What about money? Hi, I'm looking for a snail house. We can find something for her. Here's a nice bucket. It's not a good fit for her. What about a plastic Hulk hand? Is she a comic fan? No. A glass jar. No way. Where's my snail? She loves your lunchbox. I see. I just got an idea. Sew garden fabric to a piece of foam rubber. Trim it with decorative scissors. Put it on the bottom of a box. Make holes in the sides with a milling cutter. Attach pictures of grass to the outside. She will love this house. Wow. Thanks! It's amazing! Happy to help. Bye! Calm down, buddy. You are at a store. Behave! Oh, snap! Sorry! My dog has no clue how to behave in public. I gotta do something about it. Here's a map. Weave stripes of colored fabric into a plastic map. Spray it with pet deterrent spray. Seems like he loves it. Actually, I'm here to get some food. Thanks. You're welcome. Phew. This place is full of nice stuff. And no guards. Lucky me. I had a great nap. What? Such a rude shoplifter. Watch out. Chicken attack. I need a dog collar. A collar and a leash are unavailable, but I know what to do. Attach 2 colors of clothes cords to a snap buckle. Weave a collar. Attach the other end to the fastener. Wonderful! Here's money! Oh no! The thief will pay for it! Thanks! Hi! Good afternoon! Oh no! What's wrong with my dog? She's a little sick. Let's take care of it. There's a huge splinter in her paw. I know a solution. Putting on mini paw covers. And the dog is safe. There you go. And I'll get the food. Come again. Thanks.
Goodbye. Bye.
That's a great idea. Mini covers made out of balloons. For happy paws. Mom, Dad, I made all this money at the pet store. You're a hero. Close your eyes. Surprise! This puppy is yours now, just like you wanted. Thanks. You're the best parents ever.